Meet King. King is a big cat. He's about 10 years old and the last year has been the worst of them. He was found half dead on the side of the road with a gunshot wound and several other injuries. It took many surgeries and even more patience to put him back together. It must have been horrible for King. Both eyes were badly infected and had to be removed. Despite all of that, King is a super sweet cat and loves to cuddle. He doesn't want to be alone and he wants to be around humans. Being blind now, he's a bit insecure when he hears new noises and senses the presence of other cats. He gets around surprisingly easy and after a few minutes he figured out the layout of any new room and even manages to go up and down the stairs. He finds his litter box and food bowl no problem. He just needs a little more time exploring his surroundings. King is a very relaxed cat and getting more and more comfortable with his blindness. He's the perfect cat for a quiet and no kids household, and preferably he'd like to be the only cat, although with some patience he will for sure adjust to other cats.